Usi kayo panihapon and mukaontag panigabi.
What the dog doing?
Osaka Japan, Doha Japan, Yuki ni Mayong gabi magapistin yawa. Just kidding. By the way, gipton na ko oi. So it's 8:30 p.m. in Japan right now. Gipton na ko. So panihapon ta. Uijo. Maoni akong lucky me. Mac and cheese and baked mac style. Yay. Let's have dinner. I love lucky me. This is for mine and this is for my wife. What's baked mac style? What is the flavor? But let's just have it. My wife here. My wife. Mayong gabi. Gipton na ka? Yeah. Oh, okay. I'll cook for you. Let's cook. Lucky me. Let's go. Doha ka.
Not Doha ka. It's Doha.
Doha.
Doha?
Usa ako wa. Usa imo ha. Okay? Itadakimasu. Yeah. Let's fill water.
I use just literally English. That's induction heater.
Induction heater. Okay. Let's boil it.
I think it
It's great.
is.
How can you say I love you to your wife without saying I love you? Gigumatika. Gigumatika. Sana all, I didn't say I love you. Tamis kayo. Boiling, it's boiling. Okay. Let's open it. And ingredient sauce. Cook for 4 minutes and drain and mix. So 40, so easy. I love lucky. This is so easy. For my wife, Okay, mix. Yes, so fine. Wow.
Put it in. The water is dripping.
Oh, karami oe. This is for my wife. Hello. Mix. It looks so nice. Indo. Oi. Looks so delicious. Whoa. Oh, looks so amazing. So nice. Smells good. Smell like cheese. And the other one. It's spicy, but smells so nice. Kaunta. Prepared salad. Itadakimasu. Okay, let's have. I use this one for dressing. This is wafu, Japanese flavor. Soy sauce based dressing for salad. And just pinch. Like this. Itadakimasu. Sana all. Lami kayo or ang masarap. Let me taste this one a little bit. This one. Yummy. Both delicious. I feel tomato a little bit.
Yeah, because it has a tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato like meat sauce.
美味しいかよパニハーポン and mukaontag panigabi.
What the dog doing?
My favorite. Both are my favorite. What's both in say? Parejo. 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 Parejo ako paborito. Parejong lakimi ako paborito.
Yeah, I think so.
What are two things you can never eat for breakfast? Sinigang. Kaya aslam kayo. That's the first one. For breakfast, that's difficult. Balot. Lood kayo balot. Boy, I tried it. Nakakawang ko balot sa Pilipinas last year. Last summer, it was like rubber. White part is like rubber. I'm lucky. Chili sauce. Okay. Sauce added.
Alright.
Spicy. Halang. Halang. Mayong gabi, panihapon and panihapon. Panikayo. Lucky me, please send me more macaroni, please. Delicious kayo. This is easy and delicious and inexpensive. Really mahal.
Kahit sandali.
Amazing product. Masarami ka. Busog na ko. Busog na ka? No yet. Okay, salamat sa pagdaon sa Among Live. See you next time. Bye-bye.